From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you there's a way to organize your wardrobe without sacrificing style or space? Introducing the House Day Wooden Pants Hangers, a game changer for anyone who's ever struggled with cluttered closets. These premium hangers are made from natural wood, with a unique texture and color that adds a touch of sophistication to your storage space. The extra layer of lacquer preserves the wood's original glance, giving it a luxurious feel that complements your high-end wardrobe. Many customers have fallen in love with this product, and it's easy to see why. It's well-reviewed and popular among those who value quality and functionality. One of the key benefits is the strong clamping force, which can hold up to 10 to 15 pounds of clothing, making it perfect for clipping multiple pants or skirts at once. The built-in crystal anti-slip pad on the clip prevents clothes from wrinkling, and the adjustable clips can be moved freely to accommodate different sizes. Whether you're using it as a pant hanger, skirt hanger, or even a towel rack, the smooth and burr-free surface creates a sense of elegance in your closet. The House Day Wooden Pants Hangers are also incredibly versatile, with a 360-degree swivel hook that makes it easy to access your clothes from any angle. The wooden design is sturdy and durable, with a steady and wrinkle-free structure that keeps your clothes looking their best. In real-life use, I've found that these hangers are perfect for organizing my wardrobe, from heavy jeans to delicate skirts. They're also great for sharing with family members, as the adjustable clips can accommodate different sizes and styles. Overall, the House Day Wooden Pants Hangers are a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their storage space and keep their clothes organized and looking their best. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.